You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. What's cracking, baby? What's happening? It's Tuesday. Wow. It's Tuesday. Wow, look at that. So, what happened there? That was crazy. It's Tuesday, baby. Yo, it's Tuesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Kick or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's rocking this morning. Let's see who's playing ball. Oh, 1 second. Let's start these folks over here. Bang. Wow, what do these buttons do? Wow, markets clicky. So tonight at 3 p.m. is when the Tradeify Grand Cup thing starts. I'm gonna log in here. Get all logged in. There we go. Hello. There we go. Sweet. How come the NASDAQ doesn't want to trade 30,000? What's up with that? What's up with that, man? Can't believe it. NASDAQ's just refusing to hit 30,000. It's crazy, huh? We do have a lot of news coming out today. We got news coming out at 8:30. We get the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, Philly Fed Non-Manufacturing Activity, no, that's until 9. All right, well, Philly Fed and Chicago Fed are both reporting numbers at 8:30. So that's going to be coming in 20 minutes. What was I just going to do? What was I checking? The hell was I just going to check on my phone? I don't even remember now. It's one of those mornings where I have a thought and then I don't remember anything. What's up, RL? Sipping B12, Alina, Bear Goes Long, Sovereign Pulse, National, Yamaha, July Peppers, Brian, Cube, Q, Quicksand, Robinho. What's up? Yeah, I don't even remember what the hell I was going to fucking look at my phone. No, I already know who I'm up against in the Grand Cup, and I already wished him and his family condolences, or her. I don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody will remember their name. Just facts. Nobody knows. Let's see here. I did have a great weekend. How was your guys' weekend? The TBT flash sale ends tonight. That's a fact. Alpha Futures is not 20. I gotta fix this. There we go. Let me change this here. Okay, Alpha is 25% off. Apex is 90, Funny Seed 60, TBT 50, Loose 50, Tradeify 40. Good. Wait, Tradeify is 50 right now, isn't it? Okay. 50K balance and no drawdown, so you get to trade like you're in the real market, except for the fact that you only get one contract. It's the only difference. One contract, one mini. So I might have to trade micros to scale in and scale out, but still, it's, it is what it is, baby. Is your Alpha Features 50% is over. Alpha Futures 50% off is over, yes. It's 25% off. Good luck ever seeing 50% off ever again. I'm just saying. Ain't never ever gonna happen again. Promise you this. Rip's Alpha is still fucked. Alpha Trader, the platform, yeah. If you just reach out to their support, you can switch on over to Tradeovate. I'm trading Tradeovate with Alpha Futures. The launch of their platform was definitely riddled with bugs, unfortunately, but that's software development. Software development is very, very difficult. I'm sure we have a lot of folks in here who have been involved in software development at some level, and you'll understand how ridiculously difficult it is. Ferrari Phil? What happened? Wait, where's Ferrari Phil? Oh, talking about that piece of shit that they call the Luce. The fuck is that thing? Bro, why didn't they just like, I don't understand why they even put a Ferrari badge on that thing. I'm so confused. Let's see, did Ferrari stock go down because of it? Oh man, look at Ferrari gapped down on that. That's fucking hilarious. Oh shit. That's so fucking funny. They deserve that. Fuck that. Dude, I don't understand why they even put the Ferrari badge on that car. It's the ugliest piece of shit I've ever seen in my life. I can't believe that. I really can't believe that they actually put a Ferrari badge on that car. They should have put an Apple badge on it. Maybe they'll stop Ferrari sounds coming out of the radio. I'm pretty sure they will. It's so stupid. That's the dumbest. I've seen some dumb things in my life. That's up there. I don't think anybody likes the car outside of Johnny Ive. Look at this thing. There. Look at this absolute abomination. What a piece of shit this thing is, huh? What the fuck is that? That's an Apple car. Just put the Apple logo there. What was their inspiration? Maybe one of them took a shit and then took a picture of it and we're like, hey, let's make this into a car. Show me more pictures. It's all electric. There's no... What the fuck is this? Was this supposed to be the Apple car? This is so stupid. All right, hold on. Give me one fucking picture of the thing. Dude, I don't understand, too. It's 640,000. Dude, why can't I just... All these fucking websites are terrible. Showing nothing but ads. All right, here we go. At least see it on this. Look at that ugly pile of shit. Even if this car was 75 grand, I wouldn't get it. I mean, maybe I'd get it for 75 grand to put a brick on the accelerator and run it off a cliff. But the best part about this, is that it's $640,000 US. Who the fuck is gonna buy that for $640,000? Sound, wow! Like this looks like Apple.com. New design language. Yeah, it's called Vomit. Look at this fucking ugly pile of shit. What? This is so insulting. This is so insulting. This is so bad. Like, why do they even... This doesn't fit. It doesn't make any sense. I just don't understand. Like, what is this shit? This should be on Apple.com. It should not even be on... Build your Ferrari Luce. No, thank you. I'm good on that. No, thanks. Even the interior looks like shit. This looks so bad. Yeah, I don't really understand that at all. Wish I could. I don't. It is the like Apple iCar. I'm pretty sure they probably had a design for the Apple car and that's what they used for their inspiration. Yeah, the Taycan. Let's see, Porsche Taycan. Or no, is it Taycan? Is that the one? Taycan Turbo S, that's the one. This right here. Still looks nice. That looks like a sports car. I mean, if they made a two-door version of this, they can't because of the battery limitation, but it's like a stretched out, it's like a limousine version of a 911. Much better than that abomination that's the Luce, though. Dude, 938 horsepower. It goes so fast, too. How do you tell your boyfriend that you bought the Luce? Well, listen here, bud. You're not gonna be parking that in our garage anytime soon. You get that Luce out of here, and you replace it with a Taycan, mister. Oh, man. What a piece of shit that guy is. Oh, fuck. I'll never understand what they were thinking with that one. Yeah, the Taycan is very fast, too. I don't know how that little... It looks like a Pinto or something. Were new levels put out on Instagram, or are they the same levels as last week? Same levels as last week. Folks in MC are enjoying some updated, fresh levels, but I don't know where to find them. I'm waiting for them to send them over, so. Rips, which data feed do you use? For what? I have data feeds coming out of my ears. Depends on what we're talking about here. Talking about on my trading platform? Are we talking about on Bookmap? Are we talking about on news? A lot of different smells. Amp account? CQG, baby. CQG. Always been. CQG's the best. Rose, which is more ugly, the Ferrari Luce or the new Mercedes? Dude, the AMG GT looks like class compared to that. Look at this, AMG GT 4-door. I mean, this thing looks like pure fucking class in comparison. Does kind of look like weird mouth and all that. But it is much better. Much better. I mean, the way the lights on the back are kind of weird, but I don't know. What are these guys doing? Like, why do they put 3 little nuclear symbols back there? Like, what are they doing? Somebody needs to stop these people. Points gamble? Yeah, let's do it. Down to do that for y'all. Somebody needs to stop these designers. They're fucking drunk. DEI. Isn't that over with now? All right, let's start a new prediction here. It is 8:36. Sure. Ba-ba-ba-boom. All right, 1 minute for this prediction there. Not a fan of new Mercedes. Who the fuck is coming up with these cars? Need to lay off the crowns. Yeah, it's weird, man. I don't know why they're trying to move away from all these established design languages, but it's very strange. Not a big fan of any of it, to be honest. I mean, to be honest, the whole new Ferrari design language, they like the F8 and the SF90 were the last good, well-designed cars. The 296 Speciale is nice, but it's like borrowing design language from the SF90 and F8. Ever since Pininfarina got evacuated from Ferrari, then, yeah. We talking about the electric Ferrari? We are, Jeff. If you showed up on time, you would have known that. Stop being late to class. Get to detention now. The new Tesla kind of looks like the M6. I mean, Tesla's design language hasn't really changed all that much. I mean, every single time I see a Tesla Plaid on the road, I say, you know, it doesn't look that bad. Which Condo M do you use? I don't know what a Condo M is. Hungover from the birthday weekend. Nice. Happy birthday, buddy. Happy belated. Yeah, the Model Y. I'm not a big fan of the Model Y. I mean, I just like the plaid, the regular plaid thing. The 4-door. What is that? The Model fucking T, or what the fuck do they call that? Tesla's still coming out with the Roadster? No, but they'll take your deposits. Model S, thank you. Yeah, those are great. The Model S are fine. Damn, there's a lot of birthdays this weekend, huh? How many people had a birthday in the last 2 weeks? I don't like the Cybertruck. Nope, not my speed. Don't like it at all. Never been a fan of it. A few of my friends have them. Not my thing. I wonder if we're going to be making a run at 30,000 today. We got so close. We're like a few points within 30,000. Footprint charts, yeah, they're great. Kyle, you turned into grandpa there. What's up, buddy? Cybertruck is cool if you plan on getting into shootouts. Yeah, good point. Good comms. Do you like the M3 Touring GT3? Let me see. M3 Touring GT3. What is this thing? I mean, it's just the wagon version. I'm not a wagon guy either. There's a lot of people who like the Audi wagons back in the day. I'm just not a wagon guy. Only wagon I like is the one my wife has. Let me tell you something. She got a wagon. Woo! But outside of that, I'm not a big guy for, not a big wagon on cars type guy. Went to Valley Forge Casino in Penn. Started with 260 on blackjack, left with 1150. First time playing on an actual table, beginner's luck. Nice, thank you. It's fucking awesome. Thank you to the luck gods for that one. There was a strong rejection multiple times. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Any thoughts about Apex Live account? Any profit made in sim? I don't know. They said that was not true, so I don't know. They're like, wait for the official announcement. So I have no idea. We'll have to wait for the official announcement, I'm assuming. Bentley wagon? Yeah, we are actually, I picked up my Bentley from service yesterday, and we test drove a Bentayga. She liked that more because she's kind of deciding whether she wants a Urus, a Bentayga, or a Cullinan. She likes the Bentayga the most, but I don't really want to own two Bentleys. I want something different. I thought it should be dead set on the Cullinan, to be honest, but it's just kind of like not very sporty. Bentayga is shit too. You don't like it? Why don't you like the Bentayga? I think it's nice. No, the new ones, yeah. They're not, the 22s are, they updated it in 24. No, they drive really nice. Good software and everything. I prefer, like, you know, the Urus is more of a cockpit. I think it's more snug. Bentayga is more kind of like open. It's kind of like the Cullinan in that sense. What's up, SW? Cullinan just smokes it? Not speed-wise, no. The Cullinan, we're talking to the sales guy, he's like, yeah, he was driving a Cullinan, something, he was taking it on a customer drive or something like that, and the light had turned yellow, and he tried to speed up in the Cullinan to get through the yellow light. He's a Bentley service person. And he couldn't make it through the yellow light, and he tried to stop, and he like ended up in the middle of the intersection because it's just like such a fucking boat. Cullinans are like boats, you know? All right, 1 minute till the news. This should be interesting. 1 minute until the news. Do your Rolls Royce live up to their hype and how? Yeah, of course. Yeah, they're very comfortable. Extremely comfortable. Insanely comfortable. Calling in for boating, Tesla Model S Plaid for getting the nuts tingly. What's up, fat guy? How are you? Fully built R32 this weekend, made of fangirl bit. R32 Skyline? Nice. Yeah, bookmap open for NQ and ES? Yes. All right, Fed National Activity Index coming out here. And we are creeping up towards 29,900. All right, here we come. Chicago Fed at 0.14. Negative 0.03 was expected, so slightly hotter. That's it. We need Philly Fed non-manufacturing. That's probably the one that's going to move the needle. Nope. Negative 23.6 versus negative 13, so slightly lower. They kind of stuffed the print up there, huh? Look at that. They really stuffed into that. Rose is the only streamer I watch because his voice calms me down a bit. Oh, yeah. Who got smoked? Had a full flame too, and my fiance was telling me to race it, but my little S5 would have gotten wrecked. Oh, that's funny. Dude, it's funny. Sometimes when I'm driving and I'm driving the GT speed, people will try to race that, and I'm always like, fuck. Wish they're in a Ferrari. This last weekend, it was like Sunday night, I was driving back from the strip, and some guy was like racing in a BMW, and I was fucking around with him, and then pulled up next to me. He's like, I will never race that thing, man. That thing's so fast. It's like, you kind of just tried. It's kind of funny. It's always fun. I like car culture people. They're very friendly, good people. Gold is dropping. Let's see. Holy shit, yeah. Well, silver even more so. Silver is very exaggerated. Equities are doing dog shit nothing. Amazon is returning its sky high open. Ribs got 3 payouts in the last 3 weeks, set up for 3 more this week. Patience, let's go, Chuck. Bang. GT's gangsters fucked, but I still gapped in the Tesla. The SF90 would like to speak to that Tesla. Once you hit like 100 miles per hour in the Tesla, it kind of has depreciating returns. And that's where you get smoked. I'm not joking. Teslas always are the ones more than anything that try to race me when I'm in the Ferrari. Teslas are always trying to, because they think they're fast. And then I let them know, you need naturally aspirated in that thing. Or both. Roadster might be off the line, but that's it. Yeah, exactly. I have raced the Plaid. I put it to shame. Destroyed it. See, I do 0 to 60 in 2.1. The Plaid does it in 2. So it's 0.1 seconds faster. But like I said, once you get past like 85 or 100 miles per hour, you get smoked. Tail between the legs. Nighty night. 20 car lengths behind me. See ya. By the time you get to 100 on the strip, nobody's racing me on the strip. There's no room to race on the strip. There's always traffic on the strip. You're racing people. Well, first of all, let me get things straight here. I don't race anybody. I would never go anything but the speed limit. Let's be honest. Speeding's against the law. I would never. But theoretically, if you were to race somebody, you do it on the highway, where there's plenty of room. I would imagine that's where racing takes place. You hear that, insurance company? I would never, ever race anybody. I'm a responsible driver. Highways don't count when you're versus a Tesla? Why not? What are these rules and stipulations? Anything past third gear, it doesn't count. Oh, well, if your car is also in the hue of red, it does not count. Well, if it's past 6 p.m., it doesn't count. Sounds like a Tesla driver. We need to do it in a controlled environment. You know what the hardest part about owning a Tesla is? It's telling your parents that you're gay. That's the hardest part about being a Tesla owner. Outside of that, getting smoked by a Ferrari, that comes around second or third place. We are pushing up here above 900. I'm curious to think if we're gonna take out these London highs. Long since 885. Gotta tell me the entry. I want to take that. I'm gonna revenge trade for sure now. Just know you're the reason for it. My bad. Oopsie. If you drive a Tesla, your girlfriend looks like Greta Thunberg. Oh goodness. Is she still around, by the way? She's still part of the I don't know what you can call it, the ethos, she thinks she is. I haven't heard that name in a long time. Greta Thunberg. How dare you? Yeah, the only thing I like about the Teslas more than anything is the self-driving. The FSD, full self-driving. Bentley has self-driving, but it's not full self-driving. You can't just like press go to casino and then it takes you there. Yeah, I've thought about actually getting a Tesla just for the FSD, but I don't really drive all that much. When I was playing poker every single day, that's when I considered it. But yeah, don't really do that anymore. But in other news, the poker vlogs began recording today. Today's the first day of the World Series of Poker. I'm playing Event 2 today at 2 p.m. So hopefully we run good in that thing. The streams might be starting a little bit later. There's no Globex stream tonight. The streams might be starting a touch later. Overs win? Okay. Yeah, I can trust you on that one. 70% of you got that right. Let's do this. See, I can trust you on that one. Okay, next one. Streaming poker on Kick. There's not going to be any stream for it. It's just going to be poker vlogs. So the vlogs are going to be on YouTube channel you're watching right now. How's the Grand Cup round 2? Did that start this week? Starts tonight at 3 p.m. I got to get Trade C on my phone, actually. Log into that thing. Get that right now. I'm going to be trading from my phone. Cool. Got a green house now. Moving on up. That is 9 months you're with us here. Holy smokes. Tesla self-drive isn't good because of no LiDAR integration. Is that true? They don't use LiDAR? I'm pretty sure Tesla has the most amount of data that's been collected from the real roads. I'm pretty sure that's a fact. How am I about 50% of the overs? I don't know. People know something you don't know. No LiDAR and wait, I thought there was LiDAR. That's crazy. By the way, we do have the hype train active if anybody wants to kick that thing off. The hype train is, again, what do we do? 3 is Apex, 5 is Lucid, and 10 is Lightning funded. We have that on permanently if you ever want to activate it, by the way. No LiDAR not needed. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that that they have the largest set of driving data out of any car company or any company. They have the largest set of data out of any company out there. If you pull up to a ride check in a self-driving car, do you still get the DUI? Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, data company. That's right. That's the value of the company. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's accurate. Russian spokesperson saying they want to increase the dynamics of meetings with the U.S. Interesting. We are pushing up again. I don't feel like we're getting great entry opportunities here. These pullbacks are not extreme enough. I wanted to see a pullback below this level. We're just grinding higher. I feel like if we could get another one of these types of little flushes, that would be ideal. That would have been lovely. You're going short? What? I don't know if I like that. I'd like to see us exchanging the London high first and seeing what's happening up there. Like this little wicked diesel up here. Do y'all have Waymo taxis out there in Vegas? We have the Ookla or Oxo or something with an O. The fuck is it called? Oh, now we're sweeping it. There's the London high. I forget what it's called. Zooks, that's the one. That sounds about right. Zooks. Yeah, I've never been in one. I don't know, man. I don't want to be trapped in that thing. Somebody just goes driving crazy and you're trapped in this little box that doesn't seem too safe. I feel like you would die pretty fast if you got hit by that thing. I don't ever want to be in that thing. 30K is getting broke today. I think so. I think it would definitely get broken because there's more participation today and we already all tried to challenge it before, so I'm with you on that. If you wear a shirt with a stop sign on it, you can cause a Waymo traffic. That's fucking hilarious. I wonder if that's true. If that actually works. I'm using, I'm going to be using Trade C for the Grand Cup. Be funny if, well, you have to trade 3 times, right? You have to have 3 separate trades to qualify. You can't just kind of sit in the wings and like do nothing. Because that's not fair, right? You get disqualified if you make anything less than 3 trades and your trades have to be more than 10 seconds long. I think that's the rules. I'm using Rhythmic Trade C. There's a Rhythmic issue. I have a request to fix on it. Got it. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. See if we can catch some trades when we get back. All right. Looks like we are slightly topping out here after sweeping the London high. 926 seems to be that area of, I mean, it's where the point of control is. So, if we continue to reject underneath that, which I don't know that we can, everything just keeps going. Yeah, I do kind of want to see us breaking above that. Get back up to our 973 level would be nice. Very slow and grindy here. The new levels are not out. There's the same levels as before. You should have plenty of NQ levels left over, but you guys don't have the updated S&P levels. Yeah, S&Ps haven't yet, no. Still up a little bit higher. The longer that we base out and hold at a certain level too, the more likely it is that we'll exchange higher and possibly hit the London high for ES. Yeah, the S&P levels are the ones you're lacking. The NASDAQ ones are still there though. I don't think it's wise to short yet. Just because we're still in this expansionary range. Hey, Rips, I got an email on Friday that I'm being moved live to on Funded. There you go. Let's go, Koala. I guess you got multiple payouts there. Nice work, man. The payouts on Funded Seed are very fast. 60% off still right now, too. How far am I looking? I'm looking since yesterday's Globex. So, right here. We're rejecting underneath the POC right now. 7 dailies in 1 week. You rinse them. That's my guy right there. Rinse those motherfuckers. People are always like, yeah, I don't know about using this firm. I'm not sure. It's like, all right, whatever. You're lost, buddy. TPT without a trailing drawdown. Okay, you don't want that. That's fine. More for me and you. So yesterday and today count as one trading day. As far as I think, yes. Overs win. Oh, they do. Look at that. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Are we actually starting to fade now here? It's not even that many points. It's only like 11 points from where I would have taken it short. Let's do rapid fire here. Another one. Lucid counted yesterday as a day? Okay. I don't know why you're not using Funded Seed, Kyle. It's like DBT without the trailing drawdown. I mean, that's... Everybody's like, oh man, I love DBT except for their intraday trailing drawdown. It's like, can I interest you in Funded Seed? It's the exact same thing. It's insane, dude. Oh, and also not 5 days to pass, 2 days to pass. 1 step daily, 1 step daily, 1 step daily. Probably a broken record, but any knowledge on Alpha Trader, it appears down. I'm using Tradebait with Alpha Futures. This is the problem when you launch a new platform and everybody goes to use it, there's just issue after issue. So I use Tradebait. I'm using Tradebait. If you want to be switched over to Tradebait, if you're on Alpha Trader and you want to be switched over to Tradebait, you just reach out to support and they'll Tradebait you over. Shows your Tradebait? Okay. There it is. What are we looking at? I don't know what we're looking at. That's my trade evade. Kelly, you're going to Funded Seat next? Those are good comms right there, baby. Ten more minutes till the top of the hour. I think we'll get some more liquidity coming in about 10 minutes here. What accounts do you have for Funded Seat? One Step Daily. One Step Daily, 150Ks or 100Ks. What are the big ones are? These are 150Ks. One Step Daily, 150Ks. Oh, they're these right here. I'm halfway to being passed. All I got to do is make 45 high. Is TPT moving people live again? Yes. You get TPT Pro Plus. Ninja Trader? Yeah. I used to use Ninja Trader, but the whole copy trading thing is annoying. I don't know why Ninja Trader doesn't have a built-in copier yet. It's crazy. Are we updating RIPC levels? You just keep the same ones as last week because we haven't breached them in NQ. If you're trading ES, then you have to be patient for the new ones. Apex just having people in live sit in limbo. So they're still launching their live program. People are certainly going to be moved to live, but there's no official announcement on what the live program is yet. Funded Seat is only giving me 50% offer using code RIPS. Is that right? Maybe the 60% is for 2 usage only and then it goes away. I think that's what it is. Ninja Trader trading competition starting today. They're trying to compete with Grand Cup. I was told that I'll be moved to live on Apex. Still not much happening there. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are getting moved live. It's just a matter of what the program is. Do you have any pets? I have 2 cats, 2 Bengal cats. Ribs, have you ever asked any of the CEOs you work with why they don't implement a feature of only trading one account and the balance just gets directly copied to the other account instead of messing with the copier? Yes. It's kind of weird that's like, I don't know why that's not like the golden standard across the board. It doesn't make any sense to me. Like if you're copy trading, I mean, I guess because if you split apart the accounts, you know, that's the thing. Some people, dude, I don't know. It's all weird. It's all stupid and weird. It's the same thing where it's like, can't you just buy like an account on Apex, like a $2 million account instead of 20 100K accounts? I don't know. Maybe it's something that'll come in the future. What's your strategy for trading 150K accounts? Daily dollar goal, certain number of micros you play. I don't trade micros. I trade minis. Should be able to pick on your prop from dashboard, not actually trade it. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like people would have issues with it regardless. We're kind of just stuck with what we have here. We are pulling back a little bit here, but into strong liquidity, it looks like. 7 minutes till the top of the hour. I feel like it's kind of basing out here. What do I think of gold? Let's see. I mean, that was a sick bounce on gold, Jesus. And silver. Silver looks way more fun than gold right now. Silver's fucking insane. Almost up a full point off those lows. But yeah, gold's bouncing, silver's bouncing. NASDAQ and S&Ps are just kind of ranging in this for the last 10, 15 minutes here. How do you even blow any accounts if almost every day you're profiting? Show me the profit from today, my friend. Once my Traderfoy dashboard updates, I'll be able to take a payout. Nice. Wait, what? Is that your first payout ever, Lito? For real? Holy shit. Congrats, dude. Lito's first payout. Ever. Fuck yeah. Was that did you win that account? Wow, from the free account I gave you too? Holy shit. By the way, somebody start the hype train. I want to give away some shit. Somebody start that. Fucking go. To start the hype train, I forget what we even need. It's like five gifted or 6 gifted. I think it's 6. I think it's 6 to start it. Only took 20 free accounts in 2 months, but it did not take him 20 free accounts. You guys are so mean. You guys are fucking horrible. Why are y'all so mean? 20 free accounts. Get the fuck out of here. He had like 19. Jesus. It's only 19. You guys are so mean. Yo, there we go. Andreas. Hey, look. We're 98% of the way there now. Ah, ha, ha. One more starts the train. It's going to tick down from 96, 95. Okay, thank you. And there we go. Bang! Already in level 2. Fuck yeah. All right, level 3 is free Apex accounts. Level 5 is free Lucid accounts. And level 10 is Lightning funded accounts. So there you go. You guys are legends. There we go. I missed that thing. I'm so happy that we have it automated now that I don't have to fucking sit here and type out the names and all that shit. It's amazing. 23 accounts. I'm over 500 accounts and no payouts. Oh my goodness. Bear goes long. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. We are officially in level 3 territory. Bang, 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 bang. Let's go. If you want a free house, head over to kick.com/rips. Kick.com/rips if you're watching over on YouTube. Get a free house. It's amazing. Bam, 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 bam. Listening to that tune Drive by the Cars with Megan Fox, lookalike drive down PCH in my 975 Trans Am with a golden chicken hood. Nice. You should send a video of that, Richard. Love to see it. Overs? Let's do it. Let's pay those overs. Bang, there we go. Overs have been paid. That was an easy one. Let's do 906. Make this one a little bit harder. That was a gimme. There we go. This one might be a little bit harder. No, NQ pulled back, and then we held the base, and now it's pumping back up. NQ has not really bucked this uptrend, so. Let's go, Eddie. Contacted Alpha about switching my accounts and only took 20 minutes. There you go. Nice work, Gus. What are you on, Tradeovate now? Hey, Rips, this weekend I was trying to learn as much as I can on time and sales. Can give 2 cents on what you watch and how you use it. What aspect of it? I mean, it's just the heartbeat of the market. I'm watching for speed, the velocity, the size. If we're coming into a key area, or is the auction flowing? Is it stopping? Is it slowing down? Are we getting bigger orders capping off a certain area? There's a lot of context that matters. It's not like I'm seeing if they're constantly firing in 3 contracts at a time, then that equals this, you know? Just depends. Depends on the context of what we're looking at. Nice, Big Buddha. Let's go. Was it 5 more to get to the next level? Is that right? It looks like 5 more. Did Tesla ever have LiDAR? Saw somewhere talking about score similar to counting cards in blackjack. No, never. Oh, that's a technique I've never used. Not me. Yeah, I've never used it in that sense. Counting cards, blackjack, count, no. Yeah, they've never had a LiDAR. That's what I thought. We have some data coming out at the top of the hour. S&P Case-Shiller Index. What else? I'm pretty sure that's the only one that matters here. Let me just double check. FHFA, House Price Index, House Price Purchase Index, and the S&P Case-Shiller. So, let's see what happens here in less than 20 seconds. What's up, damn good trading? There you go. Welcome to the party, my friend. Do you use Wise or Rise for Rise? Rise. I use Rise, baby. Woo! -0.1% in line with expectation for FHFA. Negative 0.16 for the S&P K-Shiller. In line. Yeah, not really anything there. Year over year, even pretty much in line. 0.07 short. Nothing crazy. K-Shiller went revised a little bit higher for the back months. Rips, is the game to copy trade 10 evals past them, then copy trade 10 performance accounts, or are you constantly trading a few accounts here and a few accounts there? I copy trade all of my accounts, but I don't copy trade across firms. So all of my alpha accounts, I'm always copying. Wait, are we gonna break lower here? Kind of want to see. We're coming right down to the wire here. That was some heavier selling coming in. See if they want to break this lower. S&Ps look kind of weak. Coming right down to that key level. Oh, we made level 4. Look at that. One more level and we go to Lucid Pro accounts for the top 3. Top 3 folks. Lucid Pros. Bang, 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 bang. We're still pushing into that 41 level too. $26 seconds. Looks like it's gonna be Apex accounts. Pretty sure it's gonna be Apex accounts for our top threesies, which is gonna be Andreas, Bear Goes Long, and H. Moore. The levels have not been updated now. And there we go. All right, so Andreas, I think you're already in there. Andreas, no? What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, buddy? Carlos, Mom, you're just too late. You just missed it. You just missed it. Damn it. All right, I got you, buddy. Carlos's mom, always late. Unbelievable. All right, Andreas, I'll take care of you first here. Wait, hold on. It's not your Instagram, maybe? Yeah, there you are. All right, we got Andreas done. Wow, wow. All right, who else? There was H. Moore. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter? Got a free account for you, buddy. All right, and then the last person was Bear Goes Long. I'll take care of you, buddy. And then there goes Long. Cool. Great work, everybody. Amazing. Curious if this is going to hold this roll right now. It's holding at 41 in the S&Ps. I mean, it is wanting to roll a little bit here at the same area that it was before. 900s are going to be an issue, I think. We're right at 41. A lot of potential bounce on the docket here. Unders 1. Let's get those paid. They did, didn't they? That was a tricky one. Okay, unders have 1. Let's do another one here. All right, I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. Didn't miss much, did we? Didn't really miss much at all. Wait, I think I sent yours to the wrong Andreas? Wait, what the fuck happened? Huh? Did the other Andreas snipe you? Are you serious? The other Andreas sniped you. Holy shit, that's fucked up. Why the fuck would they write in their username? Why would you snipe them? What the fuck? Why did you snipe them? Dude, what is wrong with you guys? You guys are fucking unruly, bro. The fuck? I thought you talked to me. What the fuck? You guys are out of control, bro. I can't even believe you guys. That's just like a Rick move right there. That's insane. You guys are fucking savage to each other, bro. That's insane. You guys are fucking insane. I mean, come on. When it's like, you know, the hype train's going on, it's like you didn't donate. And I'm like, all right, dude, you're the top dono. What's your name? Oh, let me just type mine in. He's not going to notice. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? You guys are fucking insane. You guys are fucking insane. Like, I could never even think to do that. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? You guys surprise me every single day. Sorry, man. Sorry, Andreas. You got a piece of shit out there that's borrowing your name. What the fuck? It's so insane. Why would I want your IG account, bro? What the fuck do I want your IG account for? Oh, I just don't know, man. Oh, sure, here it is. No problem. I haven't done anything. What the fuck do I want your name for, bro? Oh yeah, here, have it, Rips. You want to send me some free shit? That's great. I didn't know you're just giving out some free shit to anybody named Andreas this morning. Oh, gee, Bert, I don't know. Oh, excuse me. Just intercepting some gifts over here. Don't mind me. You son of a bitch.
Oh, geez, Miss Piggy. I didn't know you could do that with your mouth. I'm gonna come.
Oh, God. That is a Carlos move. That is a Rick move. Unbelievable. How many Flores' accounts are actually here on YouTube? Dude, the Flores clan is like 50 deep right now. Not even kidding. Can you do a video on your map book setting? It's called book map, but it's just turn off vertical smoothing, right? It's literally this. Yours looks like this. Just turn off vertical smoothing, it'll look like that. See? That's it. That solves everything. Turning off vertical smoothing. That's it. Going to get World Cup games. Not that I'm aware of, no. Any new levels? Not yet. Is that session volume profile on the right hand side of bookmap? This right here is session volume profile. It resets at 9:30. So we'll see it reset when the market opens here. So yes, the answer is yes. Got 550K Tradify accounts. How would you pass them? Trading micros. Take it very slow. If it takes you like 2 weeks to pass them, go for it. You know. Ferrari Phil, you're in the wrong chat. You definitely are drunk. You're in the wrong chat there, buddy. Certainly drunk. I can see that. You are blasted, sir. There's that big old boner candle off of 900. Trading 920 now. My goodness. I just took my first live trade, 1 M&Q, long out for $4. Let's go, Mocash. Yeah, good defense at 900. I agree. Back at the 41 level too. We got to break above 75.50 in the S&Ps for this to count. Like, we have to break strong and hard. We might do it on this push. Like, that could be the most sobering lows of the day. How does one join the giveaways? It depends on what the giveaway is. That one, all you have to do is have a name that looks like Andreas and just lie to me and you win a free account. But I don't think we'll be doing that one again. Just be a filthy liar. That's it. As long as you're just a dirty, rotten liar and a scoundrel, you get free shit. Just rename yourself Andreas. That's all you need to do. Did you all who bought an Alpha Trader account already get your gifted one? I think those rolled out, yes. Always wanted to be a scoundrel. Not that hard, apparently. Takes very little effort. Duck with a hat, you got one? What was your name before, Duck with a hat? What the hell was your name before? Wait, somebody changed it. Duck with a hat used to be somebody nefarious before, I'm sure. Oh, Julius. Okay, never mind. Not very nefarious at all. Did you start trading for the Grand Cup today yet? You can't. It doesn't open until 6 p.m. Eastern. The whole day is open and free. Who's the most nefarious kickster? I would say you're up there, Mohamedo. I think you're up there. That far of a spread from 881 to 030? Yes. Well, 973 quarters is in there. I don't know why you don't have that level. Let me just double check that that's even in there. Yeah, see, I don't even get my credentials until after close today, so. You have to gift subs to participate in the giveaway. Nope. That one, yes, but not all of them, no. Usually just typing in a keyword for free. That's just the hype train. We do that. That's always on. If the hype train starts, I can't stop it. You know what I mean? Now, I'm giving away full allocation to Alpha today on this stream that you're currently watching. All you'll need to do is type in a giveaway. Hype train cooldown is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So, we are looking at... It could be started in the next 2 minutes, probably. Ribs, did you get a buy in Trader Cup? What do you mean? No, I didn't have to do the qualifying round because I'm an outlaw. Why are we writing the word giveaway? I'm so confused. Is it like a retard test or something? What's up, Jimmy? Welcome. Hey, I'm sorry to ask, would you happen to know when Alpha Trader will be back up? I have no idea. Let me find out. Let me talk to the CEO real quick. Let's find out. People are asking when Alpha Trader will be back up. Do you have any information? We'll find out right now. What was the cutoff time for overs? I mean, I don't know. 9:16. So let's see, 9:16. Let's pay it out. 9:16 says 9:20. It's the overs. Von der Leyen. All right, we'll do a big one now. This is the big. We'll do this one for 5 minutes. Go. 5-minute prediction here. This is the big one. Am I missing a level between 906 and 3? Yeah, probably. You'll get some updated levels probably tomorrow. We'll do another emoji thing. In fact, I'll do it right now. We'll get you guys on a head start. All right, there you go. It's live. I would pick the green heart. Okay, they're going to put a statement out on their Discord. Alpha is, so stay tuned for that. Which of the big prop firm CEOs would you hang out with? I mean, it's more of a question of who I wouldn't hang out with. I mean, I'd hang out with most of them. I can't think of one that I wouldn't hang out with. Oh, you know what? I probably wouldn't hang out with the MFFU guy. Wouldn't hang out with that guy. Yeah. That's who I wouldn't hang out with. The rest of them, I would hang out with. Ribs ready to win some bracelets this year? Yeah, I am, baby. Today's the first day that we start filming. Did they remove you too, Kyle, by the way? Did they remove you too? For no reason and not tell you why? Yeah, you can suck my ball. This is crazy. They had no reason. They just removed a bunch of people and didn't say why. They owe me money. I was like, okay, weirdos. Weird way to conduct business. Like, I'm not gonna litigate your ass over fucking tens of thousands of dollars, believe me. I got better things to do with my time. T. Bryson, let's go. My best friend is out there playing today's event. Good luck to you both. Is he playing in the monster or the mystery one, or is he playing in the 5K one? I'm playing in the 5K one. Ribs, dream to play your own prop firms? Like make my own prop firm? No. Oh, the mystery, gotcha. Yeah, I might play that one, but I'm for sure playing the 5K. I think it's, let me see. It's event 2. Let's see. What's up, trade with Dylon? Dylon, and Dylon. You can download the WSOP Live app, by the way, and you can get live chip accounts and all that. Okay, so this one is 8-handed 5K, no limit, hold'em. That's today. It starts in 7 hours and 36 minutes. Oh boy, I'm excited. 7 hours and 36 minutes. I'm very excited. Be fun. Don't like all these variations? What do you mean? I'm firing a few bullets at the Mystery Millions. Which one is that? Is that event 1 is Mystery Millions? I'm so excited. Imagine a Rips Nation poker event. We will have one. That's event 1. Okay. Good luck, buddy. I'll be down there. The good news is that the 5Ks, they have the comfy chairs. That's the one thing I remember. By the way, 5.5 minutes till the market opens here. 5.5 minutes. Will you be live or just the venue? Like, I can't stream it. If that's what you're asking. I cannot stream it. How many accounts do you think you give away a month? Fuck, 5, maybe 1,000? That's a lot. It's fucking insane, to be honest. I think I give away more than anybody else. Some days I just go fucking crazy. legitimately, I just go crazy some days. So we have that going for us. Rips, what's with the Apex drama? I have no idea. You have to explain it to me. I'm looking for shorts. Have you checked your dresser drawer? That's where I keep mine. Well, I have two sections, dresser drawers, and sometimes I leave them at Carlos's mom's house. Just depends on the type of mood I'm in. Sometimes I'll just pick them up there. I need an account. Hopefully someday. Well, I mean, if you want to win, gotta have a positive attitude. On Bookmap, do you use any of the MBO add-on features like volume pressure and bound? No, I don't put them on stream because then people will think that you need to use them. So I keep my Bookmap pretty raw for that specific purpose. I don't want to have people thinking that they need to spend more money on Bookmap or even use Bookmap in general, right? The last thing I want is people thinking that you have to use tools to be a good trader. They're tools. They help you get a little bit better, or they help you in perceiving the data a little bit better, maybe. A lot of people, they will not benefit from the tools that I use. You give free accounts away more than prop firms themselves. That's true. You're not wrong about that. Whenever I watch your live, I'm in a positive mood. I love that. That makes me happy. Andres is a tool we use. Thank you. I've been using it. Sometimes certain pullbacks get me. Have a great session, bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, MBO is great. I mean, it's more data that you can use in the market, right? It's good. But I don't want people spending money that they don't need to spend if they can trade without it. You know, that's my point. What's my strategy to win the cup? Well, I'm going to be more focused on trying to win the World Series of Poker, but I'm just going to try to be slow and methodical and hope that my opponent fucks themselves really bad. Gets on the wrong side of the market. Rips, I saw blank had blown around 20 accounts to pass 5 accounts. Amazing. How about that? Has Alpha given you any update on their platform being reactivated timeline? They're going to put an announcement out on their Discord. I bet you they'll never want to launch a piece of software ever again after this. How similar is poker to trading? Very similar. Extremely similar. The crossover between poker and trading is insane. See if this is working yet. Ah, look at this. Little sneak preview right here. Yeah, fun stuff. Little something, something. Yeah, we are rolling. I'm not in this. Didn't take any of this. Be very unfortunate if you were in a long. We have 90 seconds. You can see the market clock above my head here. If you are not synced up to the market clock, watch the stream at 2x speed. That way you can be in real time. Whoa, Nvidia is increasing their offering? Really? Wait, is that for real? Hold on. That's why we're rolling, if that's true. Wow. I wonder if that's true. That would be insane. Nvidia down 2%. Let's see the latest post. Did we get the green hearts flowing on the emojis here? Let's see. Wow, everybody's going for the red heart. For Shane. We have 199. We need 550. Feel like I'd be good at poker, but never played. How would you coach a beginner in poker? Just play. Go and play. Go play with friends. It's a game, right? You got to play the game to learn the game. Play with friends, play small stakes, and enjoy yourself. You got to enjoy poker to want to play it. It's a very beautiful game. There's people who don't like poker. Should not be playing poker if you don't like it. Play it for the love of the game. If you don't love it, don't play it. All right, a little bit of a bounce here at 890. 881 almost got kissed. Here we go. 5 seconds. Good luck. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. Market is open. Will it break and roll, or will it boot, scoot, and rally? Nvidia is up 0.25%. Zoom out a little bit here. Seems to be holding. S&Ps have not traded up to 75.50 yet. Well, it seems to be holding a little bit here. Can anything stop this train that is the market? Well, that could. Wow. Sellers, big sellers on this, but immediately bouncing. Starting to break into those lows. 881 getting tapped. Will 881 be the area that holds? Survey says. Having a little bit of trouble here. 881 is currently holding. Back to 900 and holding. See if we hold at 881 again, or if we break it. Looks like it wants to test and hold here. Currently holding just below 900s. I'm gonna try this long here and see if 881 holds. Adding down here. I want to see 881 holding. Adding again. Can we get that up and over above 900 here? I want to see that pressure exploding to the north side. I want to see 900 booling to the top side here. Can we get up and over an 881 holds? A lot of pressure in the S&Ps here as well. I want to see this up and over those 900s. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. So 881, key level guiding us here. Leaving one as a runner. Point of control right at 900. It's still bulling. $881 still holding. A little bit of pressure down here at 881. It's not holding a break above 900. It's testing. Nvidia is still green here. I feel like we're going to exchange a little bit lower. I'm going to add to this here, see if we can hold this 881 for real. Still kind of bouncing here. I want to see a stronger bounce through 881 and back to 900. A lot of trouble there at 881 now. There's sellers on the tape, but they're not super aggressive. I think we get one more flush and then we get a bounce here. Let's see 881 if they want to hold this. Still trouble at 881. Can we get the flick over 880 here? Not yet. I'm seeing if we can get the bounce at 70s back into that 880 area. Draining a little bit here. Cutting that short. There's not aggressive selling, but once we have a reclaim of, say, 70, I think this thing will rocket back up and trade 900s. We're coming down to that 29 area. I'm going to open a long again here. See if we can get this bounce back above the 60s. Adding into this pressure. Still draining. They're getting these flicks, but they're not getting continuation on these flicks. Drained. Bummer. Trying to catch a bounce on the whole way down there. Son of a bitch. Well. It's very weak in the sell side. I will say that. Let me see if we can finesse something here on. I'm still long this market. Looking for a reclaim of those 50s now. I want to see them holding this 50 level. Right now, dance between 40 and 50. This pace of these sellers and how slow they are is what's holding me into these longs. If we get a flick up above 50 here, we should be able to hold this. Pressure into those 50s. I want to see this nice little flick right above those 50s and then that continuation push. Yeah, I still don't believe these sellers. I really don't. To me, they look tremendously weak. Nvidia's still green as well. Point of control just moved to 50s. Looking for that bigger reversal here. See if we can pump back up above these 50s and then change the pace as we sweep this wick right here. That's what I'm looking for. A sweep of that wick. Russell 2000 at an intraday high right now. They just need a little bit more pressure through that 60s. Watching. Dude, there are a lot of people that are still selling short here. Leaves quite a bit to be desired. I want to see one flick above 60s there and then we can go. Just need one little flick here. There we go. Nice. Sweet. So those are passed. So Alpha Futures, we lost our evaluation accounts, but we did pass on funded seat. So there's a little bit of silver lining there. Yeah, I don't believe that we're going to fill that gap. I just don't see that in the cards, but you know, I'm often wrong. Wow, 2 points? How many contracts? That was not 2 points. We were long from the 30s there. What do you mean 2 points? 2 points? What are you, high on drugs? 2 points. We did not ask the cards today. 2 points, 4K. Yeah, we've hacked the algorithm to the prop firms where we can trade unlimited contracts. Bounce to 879. I think we can get higher, to be honest. I think we can re-exchange at 881. Dude, these sellers are so docile. That's the thing, is like, that's why I kept longing. These sellers are very docile, but I mean, in general, liquidity is drying up a little bit. So, I don't know. Let's see here. We get consumer confidence at 10. It's in 20 minutes. But I still like longs, right? I still like longs. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, if we break out here of that 65 level, we were talking about this wick earlier. We start breaking out and basing above that wick, it's gonna go crazy. Like, it's gonna go fucking nuts. It'll go hog wild. Yeah, there it goes. Breaking out. These dirty shorts, man. Don't trust them at all. See if we can break back into Boomtown here. Get day one in the books. Yeah, look at this thing going now. God, why do they always wait for the last minute for us? These little fuckers. Now it's rising. Those sellers are such pussies, too. Let's see what happens at 881. Get a little pump of the brakes here at 881, or are we just going to continue like a shooting star up north? Pull back at 881. Anything? Anything? Slight pullback. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Little pullback at our level. I mean, I got it. Well, fuck. The thing didn't work. God damn it. There we go. I didn't have the right copy group selected, of course. Okay, pulling back. 881 is holding here. Currently holding at 881. Adding on pullbacks here. Nice. Yeah, this thing is bulling now. Breaking through 900. I want to add on pullbacks here. Watching on these pullbacks. There's a nice pullback there. Adding again. Back to 900. Can we break out of 900 here? This is the question. Looking for a clean breakout above. Can we hit 15? Survey says they're holding back 10s, but not for long, right? Give me 15 on the print. They're blocking 9-10s, but they're not going to be able to hold this thing. Give me 15s on the print. 15s on the print. $15's on the print. Just give it to me. Why are we cocking it up at 15? Just let it fly like a bird, baby. Give me the eagle soaring. Look at these cocksuckers. Come on, just let it flow. Why do we have a gamble level at fucking 10s here? Jesus Christ. Let it fucking fly, baby. There you go. Bang. Jiminy Christmas. Unbelievable. Well, at no point did I see this market short, but eventually long showed up. Like, these sellers were a bunch of pussies. I'm going to be honest with you. Those sellers had their pussy caps on. You know what it was? It was a bunch of Tesla owners shorting this market. Which way would you like the market to go? I drive a Tesla. Oh, I see. New Ferrari. It was the Luce buyers. The fucking Luce buyers. God damn it. Ferrari Phil is sick right now, by the way. There we go. New high. New York highs are in. Biggity bang bang biggity. Goodness gracious. I can't believe it took that long. They fooled me here with how weak the sellers were. They fooled me. Well, that's good. We passed our funded seed accounts. We are halfway home to passing alpha. It's all good, baby. What about points today? The gamble is over at 946 there. Kurt, Mr. Nichols. 920 is going to be one of the new levels. I don't control it, unfortunately. It is what it is, what it is. You know what I mean? I wish I could control it. Be amazing. Because then I'd be the biggest market maker in town. Would be epic. We are still racing up. What else do I have to trade? You know what? Don't I have my Lightning funded accounts? I think I do. Yeah, I got Lightning funded accounts to trade. I forgot about these bad doggers. Shit. Let's see if I can get some good controlled trades in here. Damn it, I missed it on that pullback. Son of a bitch. Let's see if we pull back to like 925-ish. Looks like they want to rip these offers right off. I'm long in this market right now. I'd like to see it pull back to like 925. They're holding 930s right now. Like this thing is juicing, baby. Nvidia's still holding like right around the opening print. Yeah, these things are juicing right now. Let's see what happens at 950. A pullback underneath and then a shoot through 950 would be lovely. Yeah, they're holding 950s right now. This thing is probably going to juice a little bit more. Through 950, there you go. Displacement into 960s now. I want to add on pullbacks here. They pull back to 950. That's good enough for an ad right there. Let's see them lifting these offers at 960 now. Right through 960 would be lovely. I can always add to on a pullback. Yeah, they're gonna fucking slam it right down these fuckers' throats. Look at this. Right on through. Right on through to Bangtown. Oh, baby. Yes, indeed. We'll take that. 1,900 bucks. Max profit in our Lightning funded accounts. We're back, baby. We're back. We're so fucking back. Like we never left. Fuck shorts. You shorts can eat my ass. Grab a spoon, you shorts. Look at where we're trading now. You thought the market was short? You're looking for a gap fill? I'll show you how to fill a gap. Come over to Carlos's house. We'll fuck her mom together. Bang! Bang! You want to see a gap for real? That's why not both? Ribs TJR went short off the open. That's exactly what I expect that beta cuck to do. That's called getting in your cuck chair. Does that look like the market was meant to be shorted? Ask yourself a question. You know, some people's boners look like that. Don't judge. As a possible target, maybe? No. The only target is the back of Carlos's mother when she's face down in the pillowcases. That's the target. She's got a tattoo. It looks like a bullseye. Ribs, I think I just passed my TPT 50K eval. My equity shows 53,000,001.50. How many trading days do you have there? Yeah, it did go straight to the Ripsy key level there. Do we hit 30K or are we stopping? That is the question of the ages, my friend. 30,000 is primed and ready to go. Akin to Carlos's mother when she's had a few minutes, 2 shots of tequila or something. Usually I mean, fuck, she doesn't even need tequila. She's usually ready to go. Hey, question, did you miss a level from 881 to 30? 150 points seems a lot. They have not been shared yet, but if you want the new levels, all you have to do is hit the little likey button in the thing, in the Rips Nation. Right now we're at 235 hearts. We need 550. 235 seems pretty lackluster. Ben Insom's 29,893. Let's go, MLK. Level indeed. It's brazy in it. It sure is brazy in it. They can't keep getting away with this shit, can they? How dare they, these fuckers? How dare they keep letting us get away with it, huh? How dare they? Oh yeah, it is Tuesday, ain't it, bruv? What's up, AG? How are you, buddy? I didn't see you till now. Good to see you, pal. Yeah, so a little bit lackluster on our start. We did we lost 3 alpha evaluation accounts, but we're right back in it. I mean, we're halfway to pass. We hit max profit in our Lightning funded account, and we did pass some funded seat accounts, so we are funded in funded seat now. So all over, I think that's a day I can be proud of. That's a good open right there. People ask me, you know, how many trades do you take a day? And I say, shut the fuck up, that's none of your business. Follow up, I usually say, It just depends. It just, you know, it depends. On a day like today when I'm looking for longs, I'm not going to give up. The last time I came up, or gave up rather, last time I ever gave up was when Carlos's mom sucked me so dry I started shooting bullets made of dust. But outside of that, I'm not a man who gives up. That's just not in my DNA. Let's see, are these fuckers passed now? Let's see. What does it say? What? Are they not updating the dashboard or what the oh, wait. They're funded. They didn't even send me. Oh, there we go. I got the email. You're funded. I was like, what the fuck? Why are these at 150K now? We're funded. Bang. Let's go. Funded seat. Instant activation, by the way. It's free and they activate without you pressing any buttons. By the way, the market is going down like Carlos's mom after a tequila shot. My God, look at that thing go. Right to the level, too. These fucking market makers are violating us again. God damn it. They hit our fucking level again. Those sons of bitches. God damn it. They literally hit our level and they pulled it right back. Level to level. And you guys are wondering, how the fuck does that happen? You know, if I knew, I'd be releasing the levels myself. Isn't it ridiculous that they keep doing this shit too, by the way? And that level had never been touched before. Unlike Michael Jackson's friends that slept over with him in the bed. They'd never been touched before until that moment. Just like our levels. It's weird how that works, isn't it? Put on your pajamas. Have some of this Jesus juice. Let's get weird. Drop a W if you're green, drop an L if you're red. Let's see, W's if you're green, L's if you're red. Let's get a little pulse on the room here. W's if you're green, L's if you're red. Holy shit, you guys are winners. Good goddamn. That's sick. I love you guys. Look at that. Not many L's in chat. Fucking A. Let's go. A lot of green dubs. Biggity bang, bang, bang. They did it again. Are you shitting me? They pulled back to the... Wait, hold on. I don't know if you guys have that level or not. I can't really speak out of turn, but yeah, I don't think you guys have that level, actually. I can't say. You guys don't have that level yet, but they pulled back exactly to that level. My God. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at without the levels themselves, but there. I gotta stretch it out real nice. That's what she said. That's what I'm looking at right now. They almost pulled it back right there, but like, come on. They're violating us again. And this? Are you shitting me? It's like literally right there. And then right there, they did the thing again. Fuck. God, dude. Remember, these levels are available to you at 550 hearts. Kingdom Hearts. There's more levels too, even above that. Ooh, my God. Give us your levels. They're right there in Instagram. You just have to tap the fucking heart. You gotta click a heart, tap a heart, move your thumb, fucking... Listen, if you can move your thumb that much. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Green heart. Well, people went with the red one. I don't know why. People want red. I like green because it's more positive. We're at 295 red hearts. I need 550. The green heart's better in my opinion. If the green heart wins, maybe I'll give you a 50 like discount on that one. The 30,000 nonsense is just petty and annoying. 10 points, almost tapped 10 times a day. Yay! Yeah, I mean, like I said, there's a lot of Luce pre-orders that are holding back that level. A lot of Tesla drivers. You know, it's like a Harry and David fruit basket festival up there. Are the levels the same as your indicator and trading view? There aren't. No, those are completely different levels. Almost 10 a.m. Let's see what happens here. Am I going to pay out these levels here? Let's see. 946. 946. Let's see who won the channel points gamble here. I think it's the overs. 962 does qualify for the overs. Let's do it again. Let's run it back here. Let's do a quick one. Let's do 1006. By the way, I'm giving away full allocation out on Alpha. We almost have 3,000 people watching. You have a 1 in 3,000 chance of winning. Not too bad of odds. Appreciate everybody spending their morning with us. YouTubers are winning the race right now. All right, there you go. The new gamble prediction is live and kick. Gamble those points, win some free stuff. Wait, so are your funded seat accounts ready to trade on funded now? Yes, they activate instantly. There's no fee for activation and they auto activate. So yes, if I refresh them right now, they're gonna show a $0 realized profit and loss. All right, no, those are my Lightning funded here. I guess I could switch over. Ready? And funded seat, bang, there they are, funded. Funded on funded seat. It's a beautiful day to be Ripsy. There we go. Make sure the copy group is selected. The thing that I've noticed in funded seat, you have to double check your copy group, because if you don't double check, then it doesn't select. If you don't double check, then it doesn't select. I like that. Okay, I think that's it. There, and there. Yep. Okay, we're funded. There we go. Wow, look at that. Pick me up. Bang. So here's the thing, guys. This is what's so crazy about funded seat. I could actually get a payout right now from funded seat if I get over the buffer and I hit max profit, which should be what? 156,600, I believe. So I could get paid out today, right? So technically you can get funded and get paid out within 2 days. Whereas in TPT, you have to trade for 5 days, then you get funded day 6, you can take a payout. On funded seat day 2, you could be getting a payout. Isn't that crazy? That's fucking crazy. All right, bucket luck. We'll see you when you get back, buddy. Where's the top for Intel? Never.com. Dude, isn't it crazy that Intel finally came alive after this many years? Intel has been the worst fucking stock in America. I mean, Intel was never a trader stock, and now it's just juiced up and boosted up. SippyV12 says, great commentary, Rips, on those weak sellers gave me confidence so long. Your order flow reading skills are unmatched. Thank you, buddy. I mean, we were wrong on the onset, but I'm not going to risk that in a funded account. That was in an evaluation account, so I'm not going to risk that on funded. But once we got that confirmation, we were all in on the funded account, so. Nice dividends at Intel. What are they paying per share right now on dividends? I'm curious. LARPing, what's your name on, are you already in there? Yes or no? If you're not already in there, then let me see. We probably got a lot of claims here. Let's see. See the old request queue. Oh my God. We got Tim, we got Mark Clark. Holy shit, we got a lot of people in here. Son of a bitch. It took me 9 days from DBT evals to pro buffer reach. Locking up for today. Starting tomorrow, we're playing for keeps. Let's go, random hero. Give it up. In past the buffer. Let's go. Where were you guys when NQ hit 30,000? I was watching Ripstream. That's where I was. Nice work, random hero. So you do the funded seat spread? No, I do the one step daily, one step daily, one step daily. Those are the ones I love. One step daily. Look at these limp-wristed fuckfaces. Oh my God. Sorry, I forgot there's kids watching. Look at these limp-wristed fuckholes. Open up your mouth. Here it comes. I'm gonna have to get on funded seat now. I'm telling you, it's the shit, brother. What's your name in there, buddy? What's your name in there? Oh my God, here it comes. How big of a boy you think there is at 30,000? How big of an iceberg there is? I mean, it's not even that much so far. Like, what was this? How big a boy was this? 325 contracts. It's got to be like at least a G. Just do it. Do it, pussies. Do it. There's somebody right now sweating bullets who is like long from like 8:30. The price, 8:30, not the time. Be nice to be long from 8:30 the time. You think 30,000 signals the Armageddon the way they are doing this bullshit? Yeah, it's kind of annoying. This is another reason why you don't pick whole numbers as your targets, because if you're picking like 94 3/4, you would have got filled by now. You know? Push! Consumer confidence coming out in 15 seconds. Good luck. We're currently flat because we made so much money. So much. Still long from 887. Good luck. Here it comes. And there's there it goes right through it. Yeah, wow, look at that thing just rocketed through that 30,000. Congratulations, NQ, on hitting 30,000. It's been quite the journey. Happy to share it with all of you folks out there. 30,000 in the NQ. I remember when we were celebrating 15,000. It didn't feel like too long ago we were celebrating 15,000 in the NQ. Even 10,000 was a big deal. I remember when NQ hit 10,000. They grow up so fast, don't they? They grow up so fast. So fast, Baron, so fast. Well, short-lived. Back to consumer confidence at 93.1, which is higher than the 92.0 expectation. Vibe Trade, how you doing on that funded account that you won, by the way? I know that you were doing a good run there. Talk to me. How's it going? Damn, 7v12. Let's go, baby. LARPing, what is your name in there? I'm trying to figure this out still. Yeah, dude, Rips, you remembers 10K? I remember 10K, 15K. I don't really remember 20K. I don't even remember it being that big of a deal. I don't remember 20K, but I remember 10 and 15. 10 and 15 were both chill. LARPing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, there you are. Oh, I should have just looked myself. I'm retarded. There you are. You tilted a weak account? What do you mean? What's a tilted a weak account? I don't get it. The one you were crushing it though. There's one that you were like absolutely. Oh, you tilted a week ago. Oh, was that the one you were? Dude, I remember you had a good run in one. You're like killing it in one of them. I'm hoping you still have that one if you do. All right, let me get you guys all situated. All right, LARPing. Wow, look at this. 30,000 is a battle now. They're really holding it back. I don't believe that they're going to be able to hold it back for long, though. The way things have been going. Wait, oh, what am I doing? There we go. All right, you're all good, LARPing. Tim Flores, are you in here? Are you already in there? Tim, are you the Tim in there with the Band-Aids? Is that you? Is that the same Tim? Tim Flores? Is that you with the Band-Aids in there? Are you the Band-Aids picture? Okay, cool. Yeah, 30,000, short-lived, huh? Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that shit. All right, Tim. Tim, you're good to go, buddy. Mark Lark is up next. Where are you, Mark Lark? I think I know who you are. Pretty sure. All right, get some Mark Lark love in here. Hey, there's Tim. What's up, Timbo? Welcome back, buddy. Okay, Mark Lark, you're back. Bang. Triple the luck if you're here. We still got something fresh for you. Who else we got? Apex, eval, any size for hungry traders if you're here. And I think that's it. That's everybody who's requested some. How about that? It was that day Trade C was lagging and order execution should just walk away. Tomatch got the best. Dude, don't let platform issues tilt you. What are you thinking? What are you doing? Yeah, I got you, baby. Rips came back 350K accounts from almost blowing them back to 50,000. Let's go, Angel. Shawty, you my angel. You my darling angel. Wait, we can request accounts? I'll take 3. It don't work like that. What were you thinking, Vibe Trade? Don't do it again. Riz, please trade an Apex account. You're selling accounts you haven't traded in over a year. False. We traded Apex, what, last week? Week before that? Carlos Monflores. Oh my God, we're so close. Hype train is about to start again. On your feet. Woo! It's hype train time, baby. Last year. That's funny. You missed that? Well, you come in here with a matter-of-fact talk. You better back yourself up with some receipts, my guy. First day ever trading a prop account. I have Apex 50K, so here we go. Good luck, bars and bells. Good luck. Quick question, though. Did you use code RIPS? Because if you didn't, they might cancel your account on you. That's the only thing I'd be worried about if you didn't use code RIPS. They kind of just, you know. Ah, there's a holy shit. Look at that. Hockey Shane in with 25. We're already at level 6, which means we're at Lucid Pro territory. Lucid Pro territory. Top 3 gifted subs are going to win Lucid Pro accounts. Top 3 gifted are going to win Lucid Pro. If we get it all the way to level 10, then we go to Lightning funded accounts for the top 3. Yeah, the hype train thing is new. We got it automatically working now. It's amazing, huh? It's all automated now. Dude, you guys got 7.5 minutes. You got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Hype train's going fucking wild, baby. Yeah, if you want a gifted sub, you were watching over in YouTube. There's 1,500 of you folks watching in YouTube. Coming over to kick.com/rips, kick.com/riggedy-rips. Rips. Who's in the lead right now? Fucking Hockey Shane with a fucking 50 bomb. Wait, why does it say 50 when it's 25? I don't care. I don't know why it says 50, but fuck it. I see 25. Couldn't care less. Which platform has the best hotkeys? I mean, TradeEvade actually has good hotkeys. They're pretty goated. TradeC has hotkeys. NinjaTrader has hotkeys. TradeEvade has hotkeys. No, wait, no, they don't. I've never used TradingView hotkeys. TradeEvade has hotkeys. TradeEvade. One more day left and I get a payout. All I need to make tomorrow is $200 minimum. Are you trading on Alpha? I wish Kick would be the new YouTube. I mean, it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. It is for certain getting there. Kick is great. I love Kick. Is your Stream Deck connected to hotkeys on TradeEvade? It is. That's what I have here. The limited number of hotkeys I have right here. That's all on TradeEvade. We are bowling towards 30,000 again. We are ripping it. Dude, we almost hit the upper level too. I don't know if you guys have that 30 quarters level. If you want to get back to Rips for all he gives to this community, which is more than 99.9% of all the other streamers out there, make sure you click all the links and giveaways. We use whatever Rips to purchase the evals, the least we can do for all these. Thank you, man. Y'all don't have to do anything. Just show up and enjoy. Yo, look at that. Angel with 2,000 kick points. Amazing. Holy shit. Look at you guys. You guys are on fucking level 8. Ferrari Phil with a fucking 50 bomb. I don't know why it doubles it, but we'll take it. 100. Fucking let's go. Yo. Ferrari Phil with a 50 bomb. Jesus Christ. He says, fuck this shit. Give me a lightning funded, Ripsy. Jesus Christ. You guys are forceful. Shoving it right in there. Good Lord. My God. 6 minutes ago, we only need 2 more levels. Use code RIPS at Costco. I heard that gets you thrown out. I tried to use code RIPS on a large pizza at Costco. They spit in my food and kicked me out. It's crazy. Ferrari Phil, is that paying penance for the Ferrari Luce coming out? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Channel Bet Rips, which one is it, Rick? Hey, let's ask Rick, which one is it? Is it up skis or down skis, Rick? What are we saying? What do you say, Rick? Is it up skis or down skis? What's the level? Don't ask me, Yellow. Come on, tell us. The people want to know, Rick. Is it overs or unders? Tell us, Rick, please. The people trust you the most. You're the trusted source when we come to levels. It is 980, I believe. 980. So it is the overs. Yes, overs win this one. Let's do another one here. Okay. Sneaky, Rick. Very sneaky. I see what you're up to, you dastardly devil. Okay, let's do this. Note the level. Note the level. Oh my God, KDR's in the building. We're at level 9. We're going for level 10. Holy shit. We're going for level 10. Remember, top 3 people are going to get lightning funded accounts if we get to level 10. Top 3, top 3, top 3. Holy shit. It's going. Hop to the fence to kick. Well, if you don't dodge bullets like you're in the Matrix, you're probably going to get a house next to your name. You could use all the emojis and everything. OGs, go to kick.com/ribs. Oh my God, casual swag. Holy shit, only 29 to go. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, it is a very close race right now. Right now, it's a very close race. My God. Holy shit. Right now, it's Ferrari Phil, Hockey Shane, and Casual Swag gonna take the bricks home. If we can get to level 10. My God. Still homeless with that race? What's going on? Dude, no way. Put the link, please. Where's Rips Mod when you need him? Here, there's the link. Hockey Shane! Almost sending us all the way home. Hockey Shane taking in second place. Casual Swag coming in. Oh my God, 4 subs away. Holy shit. Yeah, you guys are solidifying the top 3 spots right now. Ferrari Phil, Hockey Shane, Casual Swag. You guys got time. 4 minutes to get 4 subs. You guys got plenty of time. I think you're going to make it. Or $15.99 kicks. Those things are... That's anybody's game right there. Cheapest lightning account that you can buy. Don't tell anybody. Do not tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Mount Olive, don't tell anybody. Just let them have their moment in the sun here. There's 4 minutes to go. I know it's very close. Very, very close. There it is, Hockey Shane. Getting us up and over. There we go. That's level 10. That's the highest level. So it's going to be Ferrari Phil, Hockey Shane, and Casual Swag. Oh, God. Micker is joining the fucking party here. Micker's coming in here. Oh, my God. Casual Swag. Dude. We're good. We're good. You guys have locked it in. Ferrari Phil, Hockey Shane, and Casual Swag. All locking it in. Lightning funded accounts for you guys. You guys have officially locked it in. You'll love to see it. I will distribute those in 4 minutes and 20 seconds. That's it. Remember, we are going to be rolling for a full allocation on Alpha Trader. No participation in the hype train necessary. We are going to be rolling for a full allocation. Absolutely, positively, full allocation on Alpha Futures. Why not go for level 11? Hey, man, if you guys want to do it, go for it. I don't know what I can give you at level 11. I can open it up to the top 4 spots if we get to level 11. Top 4 spots. How about that? Top 4 spots if we open it up to level 11. But, I mean, that's a big ask. Full allocation, it's the most amount of accounts that you could be trading at one single time. In this case, it's 5 0 accounts or 3 advanced accounts or 5 premium accounts. Dude, Andreas, what the French toast? Holy shit. Level fucking 11. Holy shit. You guys are insane. Knock it off. All right, we're doing the top 4 now. Level 12 will do top 5, I guess. Jesus Christ, you guys are fucking bananas, bro. Bananas. Bonanzas. Jesus. Slow your shit down. God damn. You got a house there, Crockers. You do have a house. You have a house. It's right there. I can see it. You do have a house. More likes on the gram. Let's see. We are at on the gram 331. So very close for the updated levels. So very close. Thank you, Ripsmod. I love you. Ripsmod waited until I was out of my trades to message me today. God bless you, Ripsmod. I love you. You're learning. You're learning. I love you. Ripsmod, how about a wave? How about a wave for the crowd? There you are. Hi, Ripsmod. I love you. You waited until I was out of all my trades to send me a paragraph. I love you. So sweet. That's so lovely. Rip's happy as fuck right now. Boy, doing it big for real. Yes, sir. I'm happy because I got to go play the World Series of Poker. It used to be a dream of mine when I was younger. I was like, man, I wish I could go and be in Vegas, play the World Series of Poker when it happened. It's amazing. All right, in 3 minutes, I'm going to distribute those 4 lightning funded accounts. Those are 150K accounts going to our top 4 gifters. If we get to level 12, we will do top 5. But yeah, 150K Lightning funded accounts. Going to my top 4, of course, for the hype train. Why not? You know, we only live once. Might as well do it. Finally, we learned don't bother Rips when he's trading. Look at that. New highs, new all-time highs here. If you, wait, do we have the 30 spot quarters level, by the way? Do you guys already have that level? Let me see. It would have to get to level 12. It would be 129 more subs. It's not gonna happen. Okay, so you guys have that. Isn't that something? Huh? Isn't that something that we wait all that time and then the market makers reverse at that level? Isn't that weird? And we've never touched that level before, yet for some reason, they put their line in the sand there and then they reverse at the level. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? Weird. We go up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and they go, oh, we're gonna use the levels too. Those fuckers are, I just feel like they fucking violate me every time. It's a Fibonacci level. No, it is not. Whatever you think it is, it isn't. I just hate that they use the fucking levels and they don't give me any credit for it. These market makers are assholes. I can't stand it. It has to be, dude. Or it's something completely different that you haven't considered. Yes, it's Fibonacci Alfredo Parmesan sauce. It has to be. Whatever, you know what? If you can't sleep tonight, just tell yourself that. Be like, I know that's exactly what it is. That's what it is. And then you can go to bed. You can go to sleep and be like, that's what it is. I figured it out. I figured out the puzzle. All right, 52 seconds. We're going to distribute these accounts. Fibonacci, dude. That's what it is. I'm telling you, I know I've cracked the case. That's what it is, man. I love you guys. How do you see your levels on my Instagram group? It's free. Everything I do is free. It's free. Go to my IG. Oh, wait, let me post the picture here. So anybody who doesn't understand how to join the group. Boo, boo, boo. Doop. Okay. Want the free levels? Dude, I'm so excited. I get to go play poker today. It's been so long. All right. Get this situated here. All right. I'm posting that on my story. Only need 205 more taps on the emoji. 205 more taps, and you guys will get the updated levels. So hopefully you'll get them tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping for. Hopefully everybody will get them tomorrow. Dude, people, Ferrari Phil, is that true? People actually flew out to Italy for that reveal. Oh boy, that's horrible. That is terrible. That is terrible. Fucking terrible. All right, we are juicing up again. That was it. Hype train's over. All right, so let me distribute these. Andreas, wait, hold on. Did you come in with a fucking snipe? Yo, Andreas came in with a fucking snipe. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, okay. Andreas, King, Queen, Ace. Not the Andreas the Snake. What is your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? Not Andreas the Snake. I missed that you came in with a snipe. My bad. Can you activate alpha account right after you pass, or do you need to wait until end of day? Those are instant. Those are instant. Okay. You guys are snakes trying to type this shit in. Do. All right, Andreas, lightning funded coming your way, baby. Lightning funded. Okay. Who's up next? Ferrari Phil, I got you, baby. Where do you want me to send? I'll just send it over here. This is easy. Sending it right, y'all. Lightning funded for you. This song is just terrible, by the way. What is this fucking ambient bullshit? Give me some goods. Hold on. You know what I want? I want some freaking upbeat, happy. That's fine. This could be better. No. This is fucking trash music. I want like electro. Give me some fucking electro. There we go. That's better. All right, Ferrari Phil. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Hockey Shane. Send to you. Hockey Shane. Got you, baby. There you go. And then who's our final one? Casual Swag, how do I find you, player? Casual Swag, how do I find you? What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? All right, gotcha. You got it, Hockey Shane? Get my message? Beautiful. All right. Casual Swag. Cool. Bang, there we go. 4 lightning fundeds distributed. All 150Ks too. We don't fuck around here. We do not fuck around in these parts, baby. No shot. Yo, Rips, my TP is at 30,083. Think it's too delusional or possible? Oh, yeah, totally possible. Yeah, what are you talking about? That's not far at all. Percentage-wise, that's barely anything. Yeah, of course. Totally possible. How much in the profit are you? I should have bet some money. I bet there was something out there that would have taken it. What are you talking about? Bets on what? 30,000 in NQ or what? Yeah. How did you find your levels? Magic. Witchcraft. Talking directly to the market makers, stealing their strategies. There's one truth in there somewhere. Definitely the cheapest 150K funded in the industry. Great. Gotta join the train. Don't tell anybody though. Keep it a secret so it stays fun. You know what I mean? Gotta keep it. More people who figure it out, it's not gonna be the cheapest anymore. You know what I mean? People start doing the math in their head, they're gonna be like, wait a second. That's a 1/10 of the price. Don't tell them. Yeah, just sell your soul to the market makers and they'll give you the levels too. Bring yourself a towel, a little bit of Vaseline, anything's possible. And since 29,927, if you hit 30,083, it's 3.1K exactly on my funded seat. Funded account, first day trying to aim for the max payout. There's 1K on the video. Yo, let's go. I want you to get it so bad, baby. How many contracts? Is that 2 contracts you're trading, 2 minis? Is the rest of the session worth trading anymore? Is it just grinding? It'll probably be grinding. I mean, we made money in funded. We passed our funded seat. We got funded in funded seat. We hit max profit in our lightning funded accounts. We are halfway home in alpha trader or alpha futures rather. Life is good, baby. Life is good. I think I'm gonna work out before the World Series of Poker, and then we start filming. My camera crew comes over at 10 a.m. my time, which is in less than 3 hours, and then I'm filming for the first vlog, which should be going live in the next 2 days on the YouTube channel. Very exciting stuff. I'm hoping to provide you guys with some of the best content and hopefully do some fun giveaways and interactivity with you guys. You guys are gonna let me know what you like about the vlogs, what you don't like, what we can change, what we can make better. But the goal is to win, baby, win. We're playing a $5,000 buy-in tournament today. Rip's turning into a vlogger. We're going to be the best vlogger that ever was, baby. Look at this thing squeezing. Look at this, 83. Hit 83 so our boy can get funded and get that payout and funded seat. Rip, do you have the line for the coming AI bubble burst? You know, you don't want to be one of those people who keeps on trying to short the market there, Lapsiak. You just got to let it flow, baby. Let it flow. Let it flow. It's about to hit his level. Let's go. 83 is what he needs, right? 83. What does our friend need? 83, 83, 83. Come on. Give it to our friend. Come on. Go 83. Everybody, 83 energy in chat here. 83. Give it to the man. Come on. Just get it. Fucking get this. Get this bread. We need that 83. Oh, look at that. They're basing it out there at 70s. Come on, baby. Ship it. Ship it through 83. I want him to get a payout so fucking bad. If you do get a payout, tag me, bro. I want to feature you. Tag me and I'll repost your post and you get so much internet clout, brother. Wait, hold on. Quick question. Did you use code RIPS when you purchased these accounts? Because if you did, it will absolutely hit 83. But if it didn't, I can't. I mean, I wouldn't even know. Like, that could be a reason that it's kind of hesitating around 83. They know. They just know. It's the only code to use? Okay, all right. It's probably going to hit then. I mean, it's probably going to hit. Which funded is the cheapest? The giveaways are the cheapest. They're free. Those are the best ones. All right, it's holding. It's holding. Come on, 83. Let's go. Get up there. Just fucking reach. Go. Go, you son of a bitch. Do it for our boy. Right there. Yeah. It fucking wicked. Bang. Bang. Yeah. That's fucking right. That's fucking right. Give this man a payout.
Headshot.
Woo. Let's go. Woo. We did it. We fucking did it. Because we're the greatest. 83 in the house. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Give it up for Passions. Passions bringing the rain. Let's go, baby. It's payout time. The fuck is this song? We go from that kind of energy to this fucking pow, 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 pow. Fuck that shit. That's better. Woo! 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 I love it! I fucking love it! Let's go, baby! I'm gonna be a demon on the bunker table. I'm gonna fuck with some people. I'm really gonna get in their heads. They're not gonna wanna fuck with me, buddy. Get in their heads. Blah, 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 blah. Check your DMs. Okay. All right, hold on. Yeah, I can just find you by your name. I can't go through the DMs. Thank you for letting me know your name. That's better. All right, Instagram. Go to your name. Let's see. Let's see. Wait, you don't follow me? You don't follow me. I can't even see the DMs. You don't follow me. I don't think this is you. That's the problem. You haven't sent me any DMs on Instagram. Oh, double A at the end. Okay. Well, there you go. There you are. All right, let's see. Go into our messages right now. Hey, there he is. Let's go. Hold on. Let me show this on the stream. I'm going to show this on stream. What fucking platform are you trading on? What platform is this? I've never seen this platform in my life. What platform is this? But hey, give it up for Passions. DX feed platform. I don't even know what that is. Hey, yeah, give it up. Come on, where's the Rips Nation? Give it up. on your feet, people. Let's go. The man just got a payout. Let's go. Amazing. Well done. That's incredible. All right, so tell me, when did you start the accounts? How long have you been trading? Is this your first payout ever on Funded Seat? Talk to me, baby. I want to hear about this. Big fucking W's in chat. Oh, man, look at this thing screaming now. Screaming Willie Beeman 1030. That's incredible. I love to see that shit. All right, so I want to give away full allocation on Alpha today. A payout just to go spend it on Carlos's mom. What a shame. No, she's free. It was overs? Okay, let's pay the overs then. Fuck. Let's do it. Let's pay these overs. 1026. It looks like it was the overs. Had to be, right? Oh, yeah. Easily. Easily the overs. Bang. We had some doubters. Alpha full allocation. Let's hit it. Let's do it. Let's do a multi-click giveaway here. Multi-click giveaway. I'm going to give you multiple keywords. I'm going to do multiple keywords here. All right, let's do this. Start here. I'm going to give you a keyword here. I'm going to give you 3 or 4 keywords to run together as one single word. Do not type it in early. If you do type it in early, you're going to spoil it. The first 150 people to type it in will be in the drawing. So go here first. Don't fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. I'm going to leave the chat up too. If you guys want to spoil it and screw yourselves, I mean, go for it. But hey. All right, first keyword. First keyword. Do not type it in yet. Okay, do not type it in. First keyword. It says get 50% off. See that orange bar at the top? Get 50% off and no activation blank. Okay? Don't type in the word yet. If you do type in the word, you're going to fucking spoil it for everybody. And I will. Okay, so that person immediately just timed out themselves for an hour, so they can't get in the giveaway. Who else is next here? Okay, that person timed out for an hour. Look at this. All these people are getting timed out. You will not be able to enter the giveaway. It's insane. Okay, you're next. You're next. I'll be timed out here. Okay. Who else? Okay, you're timed out. This is great. Weed out all the dinguses. All right. Okay. It's gonna be like 3 or 4 words ran together. So again, the first word of the puzzle is get 50% off and no activation blank. That's the first word of our puzzle today. First word of the puzzle. Do not type it in. You will get timed out. You will not be able to win the giveaway for a full allocation on Alpha, which is worth $1,500 US. So be careful. Be careful. All right, next keyword is gonna be on Tradeify. Okay, next keyword is gonna be on Tradeify. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, here we go. Second part of the word. Trade like a blank. Don't type it in. If you do type it in, you will get timed out. Be careful now. Trade like a blank with the best futures prop firm. And it's not Genghis. It's not Dingus. Not Dingus. Okay? It's not motherfucker. It's not Warren Buffett. It's not crackhead. It's not any of those things. All right, here we go. Next keyword is going to be on Lucid. And then we'll finish it up with Alpha. Okay, Lucid. The password for Lucid is trade with blank. Don't type it in yet. This is not the final word. The final word is coming up next. Trade with blank. Cumrag is not it. Surprisingly, I thought that would be it. Trade with a cumrag, I know. Okay, the final word. We're gonna do 10 people. This person just got timed out. Congrats. You just will never understand. Okay. Okay, final word is going to be on your alpha dashboard. Alpha dashboard, all together, no spaces. Go to your alpha dashboard next, okay? To get to your alpha dashboard, hold on, let me drop the link. You have to sign up for alpha, so if you're not already signed up with alpha, I think you're crazy, but there you go. All right, CNU does not want to win the giveaway. That's fine. There you go. I'll never understand it. Never understand it. All right. The final keyword. Final keyword for the password. Go to your alpha dashboard right now. Alpha dashboard, alpha dashboard, alpha dashboard. I gotta type it in here. It's the first 150 people that type in this keyword all together, no spaces. No spaces. I'm going to hide it so nobody can cheat. But the first 150 people that type in this keyword. We ready? On the dashboard. Okay, on the dashboard, above payout, it says billing blank. Type in that word. There we go. First 150 people to type this in. Ooh, it's spicy. It's spicy. It is spicy. Oh, buddy, it is spicy. And here we go. We're drawing the winner. Here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. This is for full allocation on alpha. Full allocation on alpha. Oh, we got a mix of YouTubers. We got a mix of Kicksters. Who's it gonna be? Let's see. For full allocation, it's worth $1,500 US. Golden Boy Bobby or Woogs? Golden Boy Bobby. What are you doing, Bobby? Let's go. Give it up for Bobby. Give it up for Golden Boy Bobby. I know sometimes it shows twice. He wasn't in there twice. He wasn't in there twice, I promise you. Sometimes it spurgs out a little bit. Let's see if they claim it though. Golden Boy Bobby. Oh my goodness, look at them go. Let's see if they did claim it. Let's see if they can follow the next part of the instructions here. Let's see. Okay, they do follow me, Golden Boy Bobby. They do follow me. Let's see if they can respond to this DM. Have they ever messaged me before? Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's find out. All right, so that's it for giveaways on the day. There's going to be no more giveaways. Do you guys have the 122 level, by the way? Do you guys have that 122 level? Do you guys have? Okay, good. I'm just making sure I still look like a fucking wizard. Do you see how hard they're reaching for that 122, by the way? Like, there was no chill until they came to 30 spot 25. They stopped there and then they go. Okay, Passion says, so I've been trading for almost 2.5 years. I've gotten 2 payouts in my entire career. One in 2025 February that I feel was luck, and second in December. I had this account since last week. Today is the first day on Sim. I also lowered my expectation, as you said, instead of waiting for millions, just base hits on a daily basis and be content. I could have aimed for more and created a buffer, but last time I aimed for that, fucked up, blew the account, so I need to be content. There you go. These motherfuckers are so violating us. When they come up to our level, they kiss it and they come right back down. Unbelievable. Don't use the levels and have been profitable before and after the levels have been given out. Good. Do more of it. I feel like there's some anger in that statement. I don't use the levels and I've been profitable without them. Fuck your levels. Eat my dick. Fucking hate your levels, Rips. They suck. But I like them. And I use them sometimes, but not really. I can fucking trade without them. Don't even need them. All right, here we go. Full allocation. Congratulations to our big winner there, Golden Boy. The Golden Boy Bobby. They're always off by a few ticks. I know, it's annoying, isn't it? These fuckers. I fucking hate it too. All right, yeah, no more giveaways.
Another one.
God, what am I supposed to do? All right, tell you what. If you enter in those keywords that I gave you earlier, you enter in fee champion clarity details. Enter it in right now. You will be added to the giveaway. Enter it in right now. We'll do another spin. We'll give away some Lucid accounts. I feel like Lucid has not gotten any love today. We'll give away some free Lucid accounts to somebody who's been very good on their best behavior, very lucky. If you type it in one time, you'll be in the giveaway. That's all you need, though. Why not? You know, live a little. It's Tuesday. It's a short week this week, too, which feels great. Which means that we're all going to crush it. By the way, did everybody notice how Google updated all of their logos? Gmail's new. Google Drive is new. Everything's new. The fuck are they doing over there? The hell are those Googlers doing? Weird, huh? Fucking Googlers. It's crazy how much Meta has fluctuated throughout the session. Nvidia has had one hell of a bounce, trading a lot of shares right now. S&P is holding above 75.20. 75.29 was the line in the sand of the S&Ps. I don't know if you guys have that level yet, but yeah, it's fucking crazy. 75.29 evens is fucking the juice. Insane. Did you guys have 75.29 or no? Not sure if you did. Let's see. Let me see. Did you guys have that one? Yeah, you did. Ah, look at that. You did have that one. And that was the lowest level. See, now I don't feel like... Because, dude, there's somebody who's like, you put the levels after the fact. Like, no, I don't, dipshit. They happened before the fucking fact. 75.29 was the base of today, which was your highest level. Something to be said about that, huh? Something to be said about that. Something to be said about that. All right, for a free Lucid, what do we want to give away? What can I give you guys? What do you guys want the most? Let's start out with some Lucid Flex. Let's start out with some Lucid Flex here. Good luck, everybody. Lucid Flex, go to somebody lucky here. This music needs to fucking change up. We need some like fucking... I want some like Pastafarian music. Try this, I guess. Let's see. Why is it so fucking slow? Give me like something with a beat. Hey, Charmes, man. Come on down. You won the giveaway, didn't you? Charms. Blaze it up on the fire. Get the dance floor. Come on, Charms. Blaze it on the NQ it higher. 30,000 not high enough. Get blazed out. Let's go, dude. Charms, where you at? On the fire, get the NQ getting higher. Charms doesn't want it. Doesn't want a free account, I guess. Charms! You're gonna forfeit your giveaway. We might re-roll here. Light it up, man. Oh, no, they didn't get it. All right, next winner. Here we go. Charms, you fucked up, buddy. Dude, he definitely lost his charms. Blaze it up on the NQ getting higher. I don't know why. It just flows, dude. It just flows. Come on, let's go. Justice Chambers. Justice Chambers. That's too much. How are you guys not wanting this? Free accounts. Free accounts. I think they left. They probably left. Because these are people from the old giveaway. They probably left. I might have to redo it. Oh, there he is. Give it up for Justice. Or Just Ice Chambers. Nice. Let's go. I got you, baby. Sending you a DM. Hold on, let me make sure you follow me. Just Ice J. You do follow me. Justice Chambers. Have we ever talked before? No. Oh my gosh, we've never talked before. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. For shame. All right, Lucid Flex coming your way, my friend. That's not it. There you go. Enjoy. I feel like that was good enough for all of the giveaways. We don't have to do anything.
Another one.
He's always talking over me, and it's really fucking annoying. I feel like we're never going to be able to stop these things. We got a lot of people in this giveaway, too. I mean, it's pretty decent. You know, it's pretty decent. Alpha, I blew my 100K on Monday, chopped like a fool. Oh my goodness. Bomba clot! What does that mean, by the way? The blood clot, bomba clot. Wake up early, coffee in the cup. We're out of levels? Yeah, that's a fucking issue, huh? Rasta cloth. This is not exactly coffee, though. Wake up early, coffee in the cup. Me check the futures charts and the Nasdaq be up. Liquor CPI, me figure the whole thing. Sellers ballin', they ask the why the thing. I don't know. It's never meant to be rapping Rasta. Maybe it's not my thing. I don't know what Fing is either. All right, here we go. Let's go. I got my Rasta card they took it from me. I am a real Yardiman. Dude, does Harry Mack do reggaeton? Wait, Stan is in Jamaica right now. I forgot about that. Stanley the Manly in Jamaica. Dude, how sick is 122, by the way? What the fuck? What did we hit? Cicino. Let's go. Cicino. Ay, Cicino. What was the high? We got very close, huh? 118. Okay, I got you, buddy. Cicino, congratulations. Ink you touch a 30,000. No, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. I don't even know where I'm going with it. All right, let's see. That was on X, or is that on Instagram, baby? I just wanted to do some reggaeton about 30,000. You don't follow me on on X, so I'm guessing it's on Instagram. Yeah, it's gotta be. There you are, my friend. Yo, what did you play? What is this, volleyball? You're a netter, huh? Wow, look at you. We got a volleyball player. I was terrible at volleyball. Terrible. Almost spot on, Ferrari Phil. Don't you doubt it. Let's see here. I got a Lucid Flex for you, baby. All right, Lucid Flex for you. Bombaclat. You were a netter? Oh yeah, you were the person that took the spikes. Yeah, the Instagram group is popping off right now. If you all just tap the heart. Yo, this guy, by the way, this guy named a weed strand after me now that we have the Bumbleclap music on. Look at this. This guy named this weed strand after me. He calls it Rips. Is that a sativa? It's got to be a sativa, right? There's no way there's an indica named Rips. I swear to God, this guy named a flower after me. It has no THC in it, no drug content. Hey, it's you? A-Trades guy, that's you? Holy shit, is it crossbreed? Is it sweet and delicious like Carlos's mom? You should make a strand card called Carlos's mom. That would be amazing. Make sure that strand just fucks every other strand out there. That's how you could name it Carlos's mom, when it fucks all the other strands out there. All right, next winner. Who's it gonna be? There are 2,300 people in here. Go like the post for the levels, you idiots. They're not idiots. They're just confused. They harvested the exact THC level. Oh, it's funny as fuck. Crossbreed between Rick and Under. Tiger! Oh my goodness, it's been a while since I've seen you. Tiger! In the house, in the building. How do I find you, sir? I forget what your name is. Oh yeah, you guys need these levels for fucking the Grand Cup. I didn't even think about that. I got you, Warhawk. That's right. I remember now. All right. I'm going to do a new keyword for this next one because I'm going to give away a Lucid Pro account and I want to make it special. If you've already won, you can win again, okay? Hey, Stan, are you listening? I bet you Stan's not listening to the stream. It's a big montings, innit? Rastafari. All right, so the keyword. Since I'm giving away a Lucid account, it's going to be on Lucid. We're playing some reggae music in light of you being in Jamaica right now, Stan. All right, here we go. The keyword you're going to have to find is on this page somewhere. Okay, go to that page. All right. So above all the Trustpilot ratings, it says built on trust, backed by blank. Type in that word, backed by blank. Yes, sir. You got it. Let's go. Let's do a quick winner on this one. Actually, no. I'll let you guys run it up. Let you guys run up a check here. What a fun day it was today, by the way. This is like, I got my head right, you know? Halfway to pass an alpha trader, funded on funded seat, max profit and lightning funded. Today was a great day, and what do you think my favorite part of the day was? It was seeing that dude take his third payout of all time, hitting fucking 83 with the fucking chat, cheering him on. That's what I love the most. Give it up for yourselves for giving your energy to 83 and helping that dude win. We're back at 83 right now, which is about 50% split between the levels right now. How about that? 50% between the levels. There's something to be said there. There's something to be said about that. I won't tell you what, but hey, there's something there. I believe. I believe, baby. And I appreciate all 3,000 people that showed up today. That means a lot to me. I appreciate every single one of you. Makes my day awesome getting to hang out with you folks. And hopefully, the vlogs that we're coming out with are going to be something you guys will enjoy to watch too. And we'll probably get in some new people here in the streams, since there's going to be a lot of poker players. that are like, whoa, trading. I didn't know you could do that. Prop firms, what? All right, you ready? You ready? You ready? Here we go. Here we go. For a Lucid Pro account, who's it going to be? Thank you, Brian. Appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Globex, I will not be live. I'm going to be playing a poker tournament. I will not be live for Globex tonight, which is why we're doing so many giveaways right now. Dragging Knee, is it you? Dragging Knee, no! My gosh, Sinead. Sinead in the house. Congratulations to you, Sinead. You have won a free Lucid Pro account. Biggie bang, bang, bang. Lucid Pro, baby. Lucid Pro coming your way. Let's go. Sinead, there you are. Chasing value. I found you. There we go. Let's hook you up. Good vibes today. Good vibes, good comms, good everything today. Oh, you've won before. Look at you. Can't believe you've won before. How about that? Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum-dum. Lucid Pro. Okay, we'll do one last giveaway here. Yes, one last one. This is the final giveaway of the day. I promise you this. Final giveaway of the day. Good luck, everybody. It's been a pleasure hanging out with y'all today. I've had a great time. A lot of fun. Final giveaway for a free Lucid Pro account. Bullshit. Interesting. Bullshit. Patricia, ay, ¿por qué no? Patricia. Despacito, por favor, güey. ¿Por qué no estás aquí? Patricia, ¿por qué? El Frank. Lynn Nog. El Franklin. Oh, El Franklin OG. Words. They run together. I can't read them. El Franklin OG. I was like, El Franklin Lee Nog? Huh? Same as IG. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me copy and paste this. Okay. Let me find you. Give me a moment here. There you are. Congratulations, Franklin OG, my guy. Have you ever won before? Let's see. You have won before. Look at that. Another freaking Lucid. Hey, how did you do on that Lucid Pro that you won before, by the way? How did you do? Tell me. Dímelo. Hey, Rips, is the full allocation only 150K zero plan eval? No. Huh? No. Is that what they gave you? You only got one, huh? Let me see. Pending? Pending? All right, give me a second. What happens if you refresh? If you refresh, does it show up? Well, now we got to stick around and see what happens. Typing the word performance will do nothing at this juncture. Sorry to say. Pero por qué, Patricia? Ay. Look at it. Performance. Man, didn't work. Unfortunate. Unbelievable. They are all there, buddy. Refresh. Now they're start coming. Love you. Okay. Well, they were there. It just takes some time. There you go. 100K. Yeah, you don't get... Brother, when I say full allocation, you certainly are not getting one single 50K account. Fucking 150K. Do I look like... Let me ask you a question. Do I look like the type of guy who would give you one 50K account and claim that's full allocation? No, I'm going to give you 5 100K accounts. That's $500,000, my friend. Now you can go and put on your Twitter bio, fully allocated with $500,000 and funded. Like everybody else. Just be like, I've been funded $500,000. Does he look like a man who was beaten by jacks? Did I miss the X giveaway? Yeah, we did 2 X giveaways. You missed those a long time ago, brother. I can't believe that they stopped right at our fucking level and reversed. They're like, dude, how funny is it? The market makers are so fucking funny because we haven't hit the hearts yet. They're like, what are we supposed to do? We hit the highest level. Ribs did not give us any more levels. I don't know why they're Turkish men sitting in a bathhouse having this conversation, but just give me some rope here. Wow, what do we do? They gave us no more levels. We came all the way to 122. I don't know what we're supposed to do above it. The fuck do we do up here? They're all in a Turkish bathhouse. Old Turkish men. They're market makers. The fuck do we do up here? We went on a stream. He's fucking Jamaican. The fuck is he doing? He don't give no levels. So they reversed it. That's what happened. They came to our level. They reversed it. They're like, he hasn't given any levels. They're like, fuck, we don't have any levels left. What do we do up here? Son of a bitch. So they just sell it. They're like, fuck, we don't know what to do. This is uncharted territory. We ran out of levels. We got to wait for him to update his IG. Holy shit. Oh, man. All right. That's it for me, folks. I enjoyed our time together tremendously. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow, hopefully. If you want to follow along my World Series of Poker journey, there's going to be daily vlogs on the YouTube channel. But the best way to follow me for up to the minute stuff is on my Instagram, my Twitter account, x.com/rips, instagram.com/ripstrades. I'm going to be playing today at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern time. So let's run good, folks. I'll see you when I get back tomorrow morning. Take care. Be good. I'll see you guys. Be good. Love you. Bye. See ya. Bye. See ya.